Honourable Speaker, a widely accepted principle in many countries is that individuals engaged in political struggles or protests should not be treated as ordinary criminals but as political prisoners. In line with internationally recognized standards, including those of the Council of Europe, a political prisoner may be understood as a person whose detention arises primarily from political beliefs, actions, or identity, particularly where such detentions violates fundamental rights or results from disproportionate punishment or unfair or politically influenced legal processes. Sri Lanka itself provides a clear precedent. Following past insurrections, individuals associated with the Janata Vimukti Peramuna, the JVP, were granted amnesty, released and reintegrated into democratical political life. Honourable Speaker, most members across the aisle, if pardon had been given, cannot even hold these positions today. With many today holding positions of public office, this demonstrates that political conflicts have previously been addressed through political and restorative measures rather than prolonged punitive detention. However, disparity appears to exist in the continued detention and legal treatment of individuals connected to the Tamil political struggle, many of whom have been held for prolonged periods, often under the Prevention of Terrorism Act. Honourable Speaker, there are some individuals who have been there in prison for 30 years, 20 years, 15 years. I have the whole list of it, list of names and the number of years. With significant, many of whom have been held for prolonged periods, often under the Prevention of Terrorism Act, the PTA, which also the government promised to repeal, which they haven't done to date, with significant delays in indictments and trials. This raises serious concerns regarding consistency, proportionality and equality before the law. It is also pertinent that the National People's Power, the NPP, pledged in its election manifesto to address the issue of political prisoners. In light of the above, I raise the following questions, Honourable Speaker. Number one, will the Ministry of Justice provide a list of individuals who have been in prolonged detention, including those under the PTA, together with the current status of proceedings in each case? What steps has the Attorney General's Department taken to expedite indictments and prosecutions in long pending cases? Number three, what measures are being implemented to reduce delays within the court system in such cases? Are there any mechanisms in place to review cases of prolonged detention to ensure compliance with principles of fairness, proportionality and non-discrimination? Number five, what role has the Ministry of Justice played in facilitating or recommending presidential pardons for those serving long-term or life sentences? Number six, what concrete steps have been taken to implement the commitments made in the NPP election manifesto regarding political prisoners?